Hey, and welcome back. I'm so excited about today's video. We have another amazing giveaway for you guys, and I'm going to talk about that in a second, but I wanted to share some of my favorite Christmas gifts that I love giving every year and how I personalize them. Christmas shopping, I find very stressful. We have almost 50 people every year to buy gifts for, and I'm of the age where no one needs anything, right? All of my friends and family, they have everything they need. So I don't love always giving gift cards. I want to give something that's special, that has thought behind it, that's personalized, but I also don't want to spend a ton of money, which is why I love personalizing things with the Cricut Joy. Spoiler alert, this is what we're giving away later. But before we get into the giveaway, let's talk about some really adorable, inexpensive things that you can make for everyone on your list. And I want to start with one of my favorites that you can make for under $2, and that's monogrammed hand towels. You can make these for the bathroom. These are actually kitchen towels though, and I feel like as an adult, this is something adults love, right? Anything that's monogrammed, it's beautiful, it's classic, it matches any decor. And I picked up a pack of 12 of these kitchen towels for $15, which makes them just over $1 each, and then just simply monogrammed them using the Cricut Joy. You can design anything you want, put any name that you want, and then simply just iron them on. I love doing this for neighbors, coworkers, people who, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a gift for, but you still want to give something with thought. So for under $5, right, you can do 2 of these, or you can do a nice $10 basket and include maybe some kitchen-y type things with that. Just a really thoughtful, lovely gift that is perfect for anyone on your list. I really love giving customized canvas bags during the holidays too, especially to use them as reusable shopping bags. It's just a perfect gift that everyone can use, and they're really cheap, you guys. You can pick up a canvas bag for just over $1 and then personalize it any way you want. So for the bus driver, how cute is this? Just using the iron-on vinyl, adding lots of different colors. It's so simple to do. Such a sweet personalized gift. And Milo's teacher has like a really long name. I guarantee she's never going to find anything customized with her name on it. For teachers, I like to fill the canvas bag with either some school supplies, maybe some books for the classroom, or maybe just some treats for the teacher. And the bus driver, I feel like this is a great gift just in itself. How adorable is this apron? $10 on Amazon, just a plain white apron. Joe's mom loves to bake with her grandkids, so I made her a little gift basket with lots of different baking supplies and this sweet custom apron. And I love this because you're able to easily add all the names of her grandkids at the bottom. And if more grandkids come, we can just add more names. Grandmas eat this up, you guys. This is the type of gift that, what do you get your mom? What do you get your grandmother? Something that's really personalized like this, but something they can actually use and wear, or that isn't just going to be decor and clutter. I also went ahead in this basket and just customized her this adorable little cookie jar so she can have a place to put the cookies. And then I just added some inexpensive baking supplies to go with it. A really sweet gift that any grandma will love for under $30. How adorable is this customized cutting board? Listen, $4. I paid $4 for this inexpensive cutting board, and I was able to burn in our friends' like little monogram and name. So easy to do. Cut out the template using your Cricut Joy, and then use torch paste or like a torch pen and go over the spots that you want to burn. Let it sit for a few minutes and then use a heat gun. Maybe a hair dryer would even work. I don't know, but you want to cook this thing, and it actually burns this right into the wood. Afterwards, I just rub some olive oil on it and it's ready to go. This is a perfect gift on its own, but I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with some little jams and crackers, maybe some brie, so it's like a little cheese platter for our friends. You can give a whole basket for under $20. Personalized mugs are a given. It's a go-to gift that I definitely recommend. This one says Best Bus Driver, something you're never going to find in a store. And we personalized one for Milo's teacher. Mrs. F because her name's long, but the F is for fabulous. How cute is this? I also love doing water bottles. Now, this is a little bit more expensive, but my father-in-law loves hydro flasks. He knows how pricey these are. This is a really great gift for him. He has everything, but he also loves to golf. So personalizing this, so it has Papa on it and it has like little golf carts. He's going to love this gift. And better yet, this is something that he's going to use every single day. I also customized this hydro flask for my stepmom. This is her dog, Bandit. How cute is that? Did you know you could take any image and turn it into a cuttable SVG file? So easy to do. So cute image of someone's dog or a silhouette. The sky is the limit. And then instead of grandma, my kids call her Nama. So we were really able to make this a personalized thing. You are never going to find this in a store. She is going to love this. I also made her, stop it, this super cute little dog treat jar. This is so inexpensive to do, but I put the name of her both dogs on the bottom and I made it the color of her kitchen. So cute. Such a sweet, thoughtful gift that you can give for under $10. My absolute favorite gift to give, because it's probably my favorite gift to receive, is a personalized tray. I just think this is something that I would love in my home. It's such a useful thing. You can use a tray to corral on coffee tables or, to bring drinks, breakfast in bed, Joe, breakfast in bed. But you can customize it with the family's letter, their name, maybe like the day it was established, whenever they were married. There's so many options to give a beautiful, beautiful, expensive looking customized tray that you can make in minutes. Seriously, who wouldn't love this? And last but not least, if you are on a shoestring budget, stop it. Customized tree ornaments, or you can get them in coaster size as well. So easy, so simple to do. We're making these for all of our neighbors here on the street. I got a bag of 30 of these for $4, which makes these pennies. Pennies. You can customize it with their name, their monogram, a cute little saying, maybe one for each of their children's names. The sky is the limit. Drill a little hole, add some ribbon, and you have an instant ornament, or you can tie it onto their package for a little customized tag. So fast, really inexpensive, and such a thoughtful gift to give this holiday season. If you're feeling super inspired to create some inexpensive, personalized gifts this holiday season, but you don't have a Cricut Joy, I got you. That's the whole point of this video. I'm giving away a Cricut Joy bundle from the Container Store. So grateful to the Container Store for donating this Cricut Joy bundle. All you have to do to enter is click the link in the description, enter your name and your email, and I'm gonna draw one lucky winner on December 16th. So good luck, you guys, and make sure if you haven't already, check out the other videos and the videos to come. So hit that subscribe button because I have 12 incredible giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.